Proverbs 1 verses 20 to 21. Out in the open, wisdom calls aloud. She raises her voice in the public square. On top of the wall she cries out. At the city gate she makes her speech. First, wisdom is public, not hidden. God makes His guidance visible. Through His word, leaders, parents, and conviction, we can't say, "I didn't know." We often ignore what is already obvious. Number 2. Wisdom speaks loudly. God warns before consequences arrive. Repeated instructions is equals to important instructions. Conviction is God's love in volume. God shouts to protect what sin will destroy. 3. Wisdom requires a response. Hearing alone doesn't change a life. Knowing what's right but choosing wrong is still rebellion. Obedience is where blessing begins. Will you listen or walk away? It's not hiding. It's not whispering. It's not passive. Wisdom is calling. Will you answer?